Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So let's reset your face unlock scanner properly. To do that, let's go to settings, then select security and privacy, then select device unlock, go to face unlock, confirm using your screen lock pattern, and now if you have previous face models, face data on your phone, then make sure that you remove the data before you set up the new face for your device. And just to ensure that this time everything works smoothly, let's wipe the frontal camera of the smartphone using a dry towel to make sure that we can clearly see ourselves in the camera. And also make sure that the lights in your room are properly aligned. For the same reason, make sure that some light source is lightening your face and not your camera. Okay, when you're ready, press setup and then just look directly at the camera, then click done. And before we proceed, go back to the settings, then scroll to the system section, and in the system section select system updates and check if your phone has any updates to install. And if it does, take your time to install them and restart the phone. Now, even if your phone doesn't have any updates, let's restart it either way, just to make sure that all the changes applied. Let's wait. And once the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it using the screen lock pattern. And now let's check how the face recognition feature works now. As you can see, face unlock was successful. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.